This wig is everything, honey. You hear me? Every freaking thing. Like, I love Outre hairline. This wig, off the chain. This is a bob wavy wig. So, yeah, I have two colors today to show y'all, but I wanted to show y'all the 1B first, okay? This one is very special to me because I love wavy bobs. Like, I love big hair anyway, but if I do go short, then this is considered short to me because I always rock long wigs. When I have to go short, I love a full wavy look, you know? So this one, when I saw it, I just couldn't even resist and I had to get it. This wig is by Outre Melted Hairline. It's there. And she's in the color 1B. I do have her in ginger mahogany too, girls. So y'all gonna see me do that. First of all, I just want to say, y'all can see that I did not lay this wig down with my Got2b glue. I usually lay it down with my Got2b spray glue, and I didn't lay it down this time because I have to review the other wig, the other color of this wig, because I was so excited when I saw this wig and I really needed to buy both of them, you know, and really need to rock both of them. So yeah. So y'all, this is the soft HD transparent lace, deluxe wide lace part. So this claims to be, oh, that is wide, a wide lace part. It really is. It looks very natural. Sometimes you got to go in with face powder or some type of powder of your skin color to match the part. So I did not have to do that. So yeah, that's true on this. I do agree with that. That looks really, really nice. Very nice wide part. So yeah, I can agree with that. Deluxe wide lace part. The lace was wide, so you can appreciate that. Because sometimes the lace is so skinny, you can't even hold on to it to cut it. But yeah, they did the damn thing with that. Pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. I guess she all right. Yeah, she good. You know? Yeah, the hairline is pre-plucked. I can't even complain because the last wig that I had reviewed, what is it called? I don't remember, but the last wig, y'all can look on one of my videos, the last video I did before this one, and it was not pre-plucked. Like, the hairline was real, like, thick, where I had to do baby hairs. This one, I really didn't have to do baby hairs, but I did it anyway because it looks good on this wig. Pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit. So y'all saw the elastic band I showed y'all. And then it says a redesigned comfort fit ear-to-ear contour. I do agree with that. Like, it fits ear to ear. I didn't have to have like some of the tab over my ear, which sometimes that hurts your ears and it gives you a headache. So that is true about that too. Salon inspired colors, natural baby hairs. The baby hairs was there. Like, literally, y'all, I didn't really have to go in too much to find baby hairs or make my own because they were there. Like, so yeah, this is a really nice wig. I really like this wig. And I think this wig was around, I want to say $40 or something like that, but you cannot beat that. Look at that. That is so freaking pretty. Like, I just can't even get over the A-line that they have there. This one is blowing right around here. Yeah. Okay, now that looks better. That's better. Yeah, I love the A-line that it has there. Very nice A-line. Love this side. It's like an asymmetric thing. And then, yeah, you have your A-line there. I used to cut hair, so this haircut, a lot of people get this haircut, you know, and you have got to slay. I had this one girl who used to come to me. Her name was the Bath World, okay? White girl, had bomb hair, like had hair like a wig, like a huge amount of hair. And she would just come to me and she just used to tell me how many compliments she got. She came to me over and over saying how much everybody loved her hair, and she always came back every time. And so I can appreciate cutting a really nice bob. I was trained of it out Sassoon, so I used to like bang this type of shit out. Like, this is nothing for me to cut, even right now, because I know what I'm supposed to do to get this. Usually people go in with their parts and part like that in the back to have it come down like this. No, honey, you can't even do all that. You're not supposed to do all that. At Vidal Sassoon, you would cut at a cave. So then you would just keep cutting, keep cutting, keep cutting like that. You would cut at an angle. So it would start here, and then you would cut all of that up there, and then you stack your bob, you know? So yeah, that's just, you know, something I used to do, girl. Okay, but this is really nice. Like, I can really appreciate this. I pulled this thing out the pack, and I'm gonna rock it, you know? The color I love, you know, really, really nice. And it's a nice full bob. Am I getting any tangles? No. No tangles. And usually with the synthetic wig, yeah, you can get tangles, especially when it's long, you know? But this one, I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with it because, yeah, it's short. And the hair is really, really soft. You know, really, really soft. Yeah, so that's cute, y'all. Right off the pack, girl. Okay, honey. Okay, y'all, so now let's just get into the color that I have next, okay? Because it's called Ginger Mahogany, and it's the same style. You got your bob roll, okay? We bought two of the same kind. And, yeah, let's see how it looks, okay? Okay, y'all, this color is really pretty. Y'all like this color? This color is called Ginger Mahogany, and yeah, really feeling this color. This is like a cognac color, kind of like the last wig I reviewed. Again, yeah, I don't know what it is about me right now that I love this color, but yeah, it's just different from the 1B, and it's different from just like a regular bland color, you know? And I got to get away from the red. But this one, I'm really feeling, it looks nice on my skin complexion like I thought. This one is doing a little bit of shedding. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the color and how it had to be dyed or something like that. But yeah, this one sheds just a little bit. I'm getting a little bit of shed. And it could be the fact that I did like cut into the lace, y'all. I fucked up and cut into the lace. So that's probably what it is. It's not shedding. It's probably I cut into the lace and now the other pieces that needed to come out are coming out. But yeah, that's pretty. Really nice cut. Let me yeah, now it's all even. Y'all, I'm feeling these bobs. You know, really pretty. Look at that. Straight out the pack, y'all. I think this wig was like $40 or $50, but this is fucking awesome. Very silk texture. You know, the color is really, really nice. The curl pattern through here, I don't know what's going on with that, but I still rock her. But yeah, the cut is nice. The hair is nice quality to be synthetic, you know. I can't even complain. The part, like they said, is nice and wide. I didn't have to go in with my foundation. You know, I usually go in with my Fit Me powder. I didn't have to do that. You know, all I did was like slipped it right on. And again, I did not tie this wig down with my glue. You know, I just like threw her on, cut the lace off, and then did some baby hair. So yeah, that's pretty. A vibe, and I cannot even wait to rock this. Very, very pretty. So let me know what y'all think about these wigs, okay, girl? Because I will definitely be rocking both of these wigs soon, you know, in one of my videos, okay? So yeah, that's pretty. So let me know what you ladies and gents think down in the comments, okay? So I will talk to you later. Bye.